Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm reviewing the Purple Safety First Humidifier. It's important to know that you do not fill your humidifier at the top, and it says that here. It says do not fill here. So when you fill it, you're gonna actually turn it upside down, and you're gonna take water. It says fill here. So you're gonna pour your water into the humidifier. And then what I do is I keep this turned upside down and I take the piece that attaches to the top and then I put it on this way. So that way I'm not going to spill the water when I try to dump it over. Now, once your water's in, you're then gonna plug it in and you have a variation of settings. You can see this is not setting 1, 2, or 3. It just is lower to higher. And hopefully you can see there is already the humidity is coming out. We will typically set this close to our daughter's bed if she needs to have the humidifier on at night. Now it does have a light here and we put purple tape over it because the light was bothering her when she was sleeping. It's not a very bright light, as you can see. It's a very small green light, but she wanted it covered. This is a good product. It does the job and we recommend it.